how to change the caption or subtitle, text color, or text opacity on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. Now tap on caption preference. Then we go down and tap on caption size and style. Now tap on caption style. Make sure you select custom. Then in the custom options section, tap on text color and text opacity. So here we can change the text color to a different color, say blue. So at the top here, this is what it looks like in blue. And you can change the text opacity, so to 50%. That's what it looks like at 50% opacity, 75%, and 25%. It's very faded. And here at 100%. And that's it. That's how you can change the caption or subtitle text color and opacity. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.